So I'm kind of concerned today, and oh, by the way, welcome back to the channel. Kind of concerned today. Today is a day that's special for Aria. She's been getting A's in school and just being all out good. So before I leave to Alaska, we gave her this coupon, and the coupon is for a yes day, and today is that day. So the clothes I have on is what she told me to wear, and luckily I match so far. But let's go ahead and see what she has to say. So Aria, what is today? What is today?
Get out of here.
Woo! Well, I guess that's what happens when you back up when your little one's pushing you. You trip on the carpet. You end up on the floor. At least no one's hurt. Aria, what is today?
What's today? How about one? Tell him,
No.
please.
No. No.
It's a no day.
Okay, I guess we'll change it into a no day then. All right, we'll get on with our adventure.
Okay, Aria. You have to come here too. This is my outfit for the day. I don't think it's so bad. She did good. I was really scared when I got up this morning. And then she hit my closet. And she is head to toe in my stuff.
So what are we doing now?
And wait. All right. And there's Papa's outfit. Not so bad.
I got pretty
Not
lucky.
so bad. We did. We lucked out. I think it's the fact that she doesn't want to be with us if we look goofy.
But on the flip side, it is early in the day, and it is her day.
It is her day.
There are a couple of rules.
There are.
Rule number 1.
Have to stay in the state of Washington.
Rule number 2.
Coffee.
Oh, I already had the coffee. Yes. I need a
Rule
coffee.
number 3.
And rule number 3 is we have to stay within a budget. I mean, no expensive
I know that
things.
it's heavy.
And the last rule,
Oh, please feed me soon. Yeah,
no,
we
we can't go through the car wash with the windows down.
oh yeah, that's true.
No destroying property, in other
That's
words.
yeah.
So we have no idea where she's taking us, but we're supposed to be going to breakfast
Hopefully,
soon.
I'm hungry.
All right, so they have me driving. Both of them are in the back. Where's our first stop, Aria?
Walmart.
Walmart, of all places.
I need
Walmart.
food
Well, let's get on our way.
soon.
Well, we're here.
Aria,
She's taking us through the,
we are here for you.
telling where she's going. Looks like we're getting out of here early with just, or easy, with just a little thing of slime. A little bit of thing, slime, and that's it for Aria. That's all she wanted. All right, McDonald's for breakfast is what she wants. That's where we're going. Well, here she goes, playing in the playhouse at McDonald's.
Ow.
Waiting for our breakfast.
Which is already good.
Her day. So who knows what's in store after this. We'll find out when we're done eating.
So.
All right, I'm scared. She's got us going into the mall. No telling what she's gonna have us doing in here. She's got us getting on rides. Oh my goodness. And guess which one she picked for me? I get the unicorn.
You're so cute.
Look at, I'm on the unicorn. We were chasing her down.
Let me see it. Okay, go, Papa.
Aria. There she goes. How is it being a yes day? Huh?
Oh, sorry.
She got her balloon art in the mall.
Good, Dad. Do it.
All right, Skeletor, we're out of the mall. Did we make it out okay?
Let's check.
Good job. I'm glad. Let's get away from this crazy place. So she went to the Happy Lemon, got herself a bubble waffle. It's not too bad, but the boba tea that was in there is terrible stuff. And their music is not the best that they have playing in there. They're using a lot of F-bombs in the music. So now she's got us going in and getting pedicures. We're gonna go into this place and get pedicures. I'm excited. Is this the best day ever for you?
Get the thing out of my face.
Huh? She's getting her feet done. There's Grammy down there.
Happened for yesterday.
And me too. Yes, my little one had a great day today picking this. And this woman is wonderful.
T-spot.
It's T-Spa Nails in Olympia if you're in this area. Swing in. Awesome. Here we are at the On Hands Museum.
Is your
Next.
yes day still going?
Next stop. Okay, so we're walking through the woods at the Hands-On Museum. Aria, I hear a noise. Come here. I hear a noise. What's that noise that I hear? Oh my goodness! Sasquatch!
Terrifying. Stop. This is pretty good.
There they are, popping out at the top.
I got you, girl. Step.
Okay.
Yep. Up. Go. Push with this leg. Push again.
Hold on.
Look where you're stepping. Good job. Good job. Okay. Careful. Wait. Oh, there it goes. All right. I would dump it all.
I am.
Good job. Aria is
Yep.
panning for fossils, I guess.
Digging.
Digging.
At the On Hands fossil.
Yep. Very cool. She's found some pretty cool stuff. Look at that. What do you think, Aria? Huh? Look at me. Look up. What do you think? Is it fun?
Yeah.
Okay. Was it worth coming to?
Yeah.
Okay.
So, take yours out and do a yes day with them.
I want some. Okay.
all the toppings. Is that good? The frozen yogurt. What all did you get in it? Oh, that's right, you got food in your mouth. What all did you get in it? So it looks like she's got gummy bears in there. She's got salmon eggs right there. There's the salmon eggs. Look at that. Mama got 2 cherries down there. And I got blueberries. I love blueberries. Are you having a good day? Okay. So Aria, you had a yes day today. What all did you do? Come
Why are
on,
you asking me?
because it was your day. Tell us what you did.
We went to the mall.
We went to the mall. What did we do at the mall?
We rode the rides in the mall.
Rode the rides in the mall. What's that in your hand? Slime. What else did you get?
Slime.
What else? Show us.
Hold on. Can you put that back in there? There you go.
What are those?
Squishmallows.
Squish marshmallows?
No!
What's that?
Slime.
More slime.
Pikachu.
A Pikachu. And what else? Skeletor. Did you eat fossils?
Yeah.
Where was that from?
Children's Hands-On Museum.
Did you have fun there?
Yeah.
And what are we gonna do now?
Pie face.
What?
Stop.
Pie face.
What's that?
Pie face.
What is it?
It's a game.
Go ahead and show.
So what she's saying is we are going to play Pie in the Face and wrap up our evening on the yes day.
It's called Pie Face.
Oh, Pie Face. Well, it'll be pie in the face on someone. So let's get on with it. Let's play our game. Well, we were going to play Pie in the Face with our game, but apparently Pie Face, Pie in the Face, whatever.
No.
Pie Face game. We were going to play that, but it's broken. The internal, we took it apart to see why, but inside there's a spot where a spring fits that broke off. And so we can't do that. We're going to have to come up with another game for our end of the yes day. So what game do you want?
I want you to go outside.
And do what?
You listen? Come on.
Oh no, here we go again. Well, we can't play inside games, so they're winding up the evening with jumping on the trampoline. So we're gonna finish up by sitting around the little fire pit, enjoying the last bit of the night before it's time for bed. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little adventure we had for the day. Remember, a yes day once in a while is not going to hurt anyone. Set a few small parameters so you don't go bankrupt. and just have fun. Go with the flow. It's good for you to laugh and smile and that. So with that said, God bless, hugs, and we'll see you on our next video. Bye.